Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Tech Guy, and today I am here in front of you with a new topic, that is how can we make font page of our project of any school. So without any delay, let's begin our video. But before going to start the video, I want to make sure that watch the video till end, and at the end if you like the video then please like my channel, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon. Thank you, that's it. So let's now go to my computer screen. So this is my MS Office page. Now I am going to add the corner design. So for adding the corner design, I will be going to insert option. From the insert, I will be going to picture. After a drop down list will be coming, from where I will be selecting the picture. So I am selecting the picture from here and clicking on insert. So see, the picture is added, but the thing is that we cannot move the picture according to our choice. Now clicking on this picture, I will be going to this option. Just wait, let me zoom out the screen. Yes, so I will be going to text wrapping option. From the text wrapping, I will be going to in front of text. Yes, now the image is ready to move anywhere. So I am dragging it in the bottom of the page and fixing it here. Now I am going to make one copy of it and paste it. Now I am going to turn it over 90 degrees such that it fits here. After that, again I want to paste one image here and I am going to make it turn over 360 degrees and I am going to paste it here in this corner. Now I am going to make one copy of this image and paste it here. After that, again I am going to turn it over 90 degrees and paste it here. So see, whenever now I will be going to the print preview option, just wait, whenever I will be going to the print preview option, at that time we will be seeing that the corner design is added to each and every corner of the image. Now I will be writing the name of my school. So at first I will be going to insert option, from there word art, and I will be choosing this word art. Now I am going to write the name of my school in capital. Okay. After that, click on OK. So see, the name of the school is added here. Now again the same way I am going to text wrapping and turning on in front of text. Now say I am be able to move it each and everywhere. Now I am going to change the shape of it. So for changing the shape, from the format option, we will be going to change shape and choosing this arch shape. Now see, the text is little arch. Now with this blue color line, blue color dot, I will be just dragging it like this way so that the arch becomes much wider. And after that, I will be placing it in the middle. Okay, I will be selecting it and just according to the vision of our eye, I will be just making it a little sider such that it fits on the middle of the screen. Now with this, you can see, now with this yellow color dot, I will be just dragging it, the both ends becomes same. Okay, so see, the text is ready, the name of the school is ready. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add the school logo. So for adding the school logo, again I will be going to insert option after the picture. So see, I will be having the school logo just here, I will be clicking on insert. So see, the school logo is added, but I am unable to move the school logo. So clicking it, I will be just turning on the text wrapping in front of text. Now see, I am able to move it anywhere I like, isn't it? So the school logo is added. I'm going to make it a little smaller. Yes, in the middle, obviously in the middle. I'm going to paste it. Yes. Now what I'm going to do is that now I am going to use one badge. Okay. So for using the badge, I will be just going to the insert, from insert shapes, and from shapes just see, I will be choosing this option, this badge. Okay. This badge I will be choosing, and I'm going to make it like this. Okay. And so that it fits here. A little downward, yes, now it is okay. Now what I am going to do is that I am going to take another text box. Well, how to take the text box? Again see, shapes, from there this type of box, rectangular box, whenever you will be selecting it, you can see the text box, the writing text box is appearing. Now I am going to select it. After that I am going to draw one text box here, and here I am going to write ESTD. Okay, that means established, ESTD. And I am going to write the establishment of the school, Sarada Vidya Mandir, 1995. It was established in 1995. Now I am going to make the writing a little bigger and change its color into white. You are unable to see. Just wait, let me make it black, and I am going to make its size a little bigger, and I am going to bold it. Okay. After that, I am clicking on the color changing. First, going to the format, I will be changing the color of the text box. So shape fill will be blue. Let me make it blue. And here also, this batch color will be also changed into blue. Shape fill will also be the same blue which I am using here. And in the text box, what I will be doing is that, in the text box, I will be just, from the shape outline, there will be no outline of the shape. Okay, now I am going to select it and I am going to drag it over here. Oh, let me change the color of the text. It will be, just wait, let me select it. Yes, the color of the text will be white such that it becomes visible nicely. So, and let me make it smaller once. Yes, now I'm going to drag it like this way. So see the name of the school, the establishment date of the year of the school is visible here, isn't it? The establishment, let me make it little smaller. Yes, now so the establishment year of the school is visible. Now what I'm going to do is that now I am going to write the address of the school. So for writing the address, I'm going to insert, again I'm going to take one text box and make this type of large box, and now I'm going to write the address of the school. Uttar Dinajpur. Okay. Now I'm going to write the name of the school. Address is written Uttar Dinajpur. Now I'm going to write the pin, that is 733134. Sorry, 733134. Okay. Now I'm going to make this text box a little smaller because this much space is not required. Now I'm going to change the size of this text into 16. After that, the style into this style, and the color into which color can I use? Yes, let it be red. Okay. Now I'm going to select this shape and format. From the format, shape outline will be no outline. There will be no outline, and now I will be just making it like this in the middle. So see the the text, that means the address of the school is in middle. Now I am going to write about the subject on which I am making the project. So for writing, again I am going to select the text box, and from the starting position of the page and to the end, we are going to take one text box, rectangular text box. Now I am going to simply change the color, field color into blue, and now I am going to select the writing color into white, the library body, that means the size, into 16, and the style into this one. Okay. Now I am going to write the subject like this way. Okay. Subject will be, suppose I am going to write the subject as mathematics. So after writing this one, I am going to make it a little bold. I am going to make it bold. Now I will be giving just 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces between each and every single word. Okay. Just let me give it. Okay, now I'm going to just select this one and make it in the middle of the page. So see, the subject is written in a very, very nice manner. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just lift this text box a little. Okay, lift it and just make it up to this. Yes, now it is nice. Now what I'm going to do is that now I'm going to take one box which I will be using for writing my names and all. So insert again shapes and just one rectangular box, nothing else. Yes, this is the box. This will be the this will be my box. And from here I am going to select the shape field. Just look at here. Shape field will be texture. Okay, I'll be using the texture of this texture. Okay, I'm using this texture. Now what I will be doing is a little bigger. Yes, now I will be writing my name by using another text box. So shape, from shape I will be taking the text box. Now I'm going to write my name over here. Okay. So see, the name is written. Now I'm going to change its format, bold. After that I'm going to give its color as white. You are unable to see the text because I've given it the color as white. Then the shape outline will be no outline. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag it over here. Sorry, I have given the shape field as white. It will be no field. So see, now you're able to see this name, but I'm going to give the name as black color. I'm going to give the name as black color, and I'm going to change its writing style as let me make it this one. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just place this text in the middle of this box so that it fits on the middle of this box. I'm going to just make it fixed. Just give me a second. Yes. Yes, now it is nice. Now what I'm going to do is that now I am going to take another text box. From the text, in the text box taken, I will be at first giving the outline as no outline. This will be my first thing. After that, the shape field will be no field. After that, I am going to write the name of my class. Class will be 9. Okay, make it bold. Make it bold, and I'm going to change the shape into this shape. Okay, now I'm going to bring it. Now I am going to bring it here. Okay, and just side it and such that it fits in the middle like this way. With my keyboard arrow I am going to make it here. Yes, now I am going to write about the roll number. Taking the text box insert from here, I am going to write about the roll number. The roll number, suppose it is 19. So now I am going to make it a bolder. Color will be black as it is. This is the style. And now I am going to format. Shape fill will be no fill. It's very simple. See, shape outline will be no outline. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it here. Now I'm going to just see, class roll is written. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to now take another text box and write my section. As no subject is written because I have written the subject here only. Now I'm going to write about the section. Section will be Madhav. Suppose the section will be Madhav. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to change the style, make it bold. Yes, now it is okay. Now I will be just selecting the box from the format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, and drag it here. Okay, and make it like this. Make it in the middle, just in the middle. It's very easy. Okay, just in the middle I'm going to make it. So see, the nameplate is almost ready. Now I will be taking the last text box and I'm going to write under the guidance of, under the guidance of, under the guidance of, GYDEN, under the guidance of. Okay, I'm going to write the guidance of, under the guidance of, and I'm not mentioning the teacher's name. Just I'm giving a dot over here. You will be mentioning your teacher's name. So after that, under the guidance of this word, I'm going to make it bold, change its style into Arial black. Yes, that's it. Now I'm going to format, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline, and bring it in the end of this. And yes, I have given much more dots here, so no need of giving this much. Let me make it shorter so that it fits here. Okay, let me cut some of the dots. Yes. Now you're going to write your teacher's name. Done. So this is the nameplate. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to add one very important image over here. It will be looking very, very good. Okay, it will be looking very good. So the box is not in the middle, isn't it? So let me make it in the middle of the page. Let me bring the name here. Let me bring the class here. After that, the roll number here. After that, the section. And then after the last one, under the guidance of, from the beginning. Yes, done. Now what I'm going to do, now I'm going to add one very important and stylish image. So going to insert picture, and I'm going to add this image insert. Okay, so see, the image is inserted. Oh, it is not inserted. Let me insert it once more. Insert picture, this image. I'm going to insert it. So see, the image is inserted here. Oh, what happened? Yes, now I'm going, see, I cannot drag this image to any corner of this page. So I'm going to text wrapping option in front of text. Now I can easily drag it and place it here. Okay, make it smaller. Make it very, very smaller. Yes. Now see, now the thing which is happening is that the name is not visible properly, isn't it? My name is not visible properly. So what I will be doing, I will be just making it aside, and I will be just dragging each and everything present on the screen a little downwards. This class also a little downwards. Okay, this roll number also a little downwards. Section also a little downwards. Now see, the image will be fitted here. Yes. So see, my font page is ready. Now I am going to show you the print preview so that you can see the full screen nicely. So see, this is the font page of our project. Okay, so that's all in this video. And the thing is that if you want to download, if you want me to make one video to how to download this type of images, this type of girls or boys images, then comment me. I will be making it. I will be making one separate video. So thank you for watching this video till then. Take care of yourself till we meet with another video. Goodbye. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.